Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. This is my third week of my civic media class, and this week in class we covered a lot of topics such as the global north and the global south, as well as being a global citizen. We also talked about collectivism and attention-based activism, and we also talked about viral culture, so sometimes referred to as trending culture. This is the idea that simplifying a story so that everybody can read it can create an issue of oversimplifying a really complex social concern. In 2012, there was a social movement that went viral known as the Kony 2012 movement. Kony 2012 was created by a group of American activists who were a part of the Invisible Children Foundation. The goal of Kony 2012 was to stop the rebels in Uganda and their leader, Joseph Kony. They were kidnapping children and turning them into sex slaves and soldiers. The Americans who founded this movement felt sorry for the people in Uganda and created Kony 2012 because they believed they could fix a problem which was occurring in a different culture. Although the Kony 2012 movement was intended to stop the war against Joseph Kony, the movement seemed to be more attention-based. Although the Kony 2012 movement was intended to stop the war against Joseph Kony, the movement seemed to be more attention-based, meaning that they were really just trying to gain the public's attention. They used strategies that were relevant to their initial target audience. Yet the methods used to make Kony 2012 a viral movement resulted in simplifying the movement's purpose, which was a complex issue occurring in Global South, meaning an underdeveloped country. The young people involved in this movement believed they were global citizens and called themselves Kony 2012 activists. And these young people believed that buying a bracelet or posting on social media would solve the problem. We also talked about collectivism, and this is kind of the idea that people only will participate in a movement really just online, and this involves tweeting and hashtagging and reposting something that you see in the news about a social movement, and it kind of takes away from the actual activism of a movement. And I also think it was very interesting to see how much that occurred in the Kony 2012 movement, just knowing that it was really kind of developed by young people. And although these young people had good intentions, they weren't really doing anything in participating in the movement other than kind of boosting their own ego and making themselves feel like they were helping, when really they were just running around the town and posting posters and wearing bracelets and posting pictures on social media, rather than actually contributing to the movement in a more hands-on and beneficial way.